All right, everyone, welcome back. So, from the last BitDAO update, you can see that it did push higher after it came down here. So, I redrew the fib on the chart here so we can get a better look of what's going on. So, we bounced at this point 5 and we actually broke over the 200-day moving average. We actually gapped up. So, you can see that it did come back down and fill the gap, and it currently is still holding the 200-day. So, that's a very good sign there. You're currently at, I didn't mean to move that. Currently at 55, so if you keep pushing higher, you should get up here and tag 63 if you don't get stuck here where you can see you got stuck at after that gap. So about a 5% move to 58, and if you get over 58, I would imagine you would. 63 is next for a 13.5% move. You can see this is where it got stuck all back here. But now you are over the 200-day moving average, that is, and you're officially, you're short-term bullish at least. So you have the push to go higher. As of now, the MACD, you can see it was curled down, but it's kind of going sideways. So we might get a bullish cross over the next couple of days. RSI is kind of bouncing here and moving up. Looking at the Higanashi candles, we're printing green again. So I think it just came back to fill the gap there, and it's going to move higher now. Of course, it can always completely fall off the table if Bitcoin decides it's going to take a dump. So if you move higher, watch 63 for that 13% move, and then ultimately back up here to the top for about a 43% move to 79. So watch those couple of prices to the upside. As long as you hold the moving averages here, you can see we do have the 21 attempting to cross over the 200, which is a really good sign there for things to keep pushing higher, of course. So we'll see how it plays out with BitDAO. And if you end up coming back, you should hold this 618 at 52 for a we'll say a 5% move down here to about at your moving averages here at about a 7% move. But the fact that you have the 21 coming up here, it's probably going to hold support at the 618 at 52. So I'd watch 52 to hold for support, and 63 is your next stop. If you end up losing 52, of course, you could see you would fall back through the moving averages there. They would no longer be bullish, and you would just start coming back down. But as of now, everything's holding their support. So 17% drop potentially at hand down here to 46 if you lose 52. But like I said, there's a lot of support here, so you should hold support to either go sideways or push higher at some point. The fact that your moving average is coming up here and you can see you're pretty much holding it as support every time, it's just going to help drive the price higher and higher. So I would watch for 63 as your next stop on BitDAO here. So with that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.